Kaugnay pa rin ang pagdiriwang ng taunang Binirayong Festival, ay ginanap ang Bugal Kang Antique Award 2018 o ang Pride of Antique Awards Night. Ito ang pinaka-prestihiyosong award-giving body sa probinsya ng Antique na kumikilala sa mga Antikenyong nagpakita at nagbigay ng malaking impact sa probinsya sa iba't ibang larangan. Makalipas nga ng 35 taon o 35 years, ay ngayon na lamang muling may nabigyan ng parangal ang Dato Sumakwel Award o ang pinakamataas na pagkilala na ibinibigay ng probinsya sa Bugal Kang Antique Awards.
We are celebrating because we are acknowledging the people who contributed much to the realization of our dear province new nickname, Antique, the rising star of Western Visayas. Tonight, we gave them our token of appreciation through the various awards that we have prepared. This Bugal Kang Antique are Antiqueños who tirelessly and selfishly worked for the upliftment of the lives of our fellow Kasimanwas and of our homeland, the land where the mountains meet the sea. This year, as we have witnessed, we are very much honored because there is someone in our midst that did so much for our people. A rare opportunity came that we were able to give the Dato Sumakwel Award after 35 years. The first Antiqueño who got this award was the former Ibelio Javier. And the second is Senator Loren.
Ang pagbibigay ng Dato Sumakwel Award kay Senator Loren Legarda ay dahil sa patuloy niyang pagtulong at suporta sa mga proyekto para sa ikauunlad ng probinsya.
I'm so proud and humbled to be in the presence of all these talented, great Antiqueños. Indeed, it is a great province that we're all so proud of. And I offer this honor you're giving me tonight, the Bugal Kang Antique Award, amidst awards I've received in my 20 years in journalism, awards and recognition I've received from the national government and the global community, whether it's United Nations or the University of the Philippines or the Philippine Senate and in politics. But perhaps the greatest and most fulfilling, inspiring, and humbling award is the award that comes from the province where my forebears are from. I say it with all humility and with such great gratitude to all of you. I know that I've been serving our country for 20 years. And so people ask, bakit hindi namin nakikita? Hindi siya palagi nandun. Sabi ko, hindi naman kailangan matulog ka sa isang lugar, gabi-gabi doon, pag ikaw ay maglingkod. Kaya nga, I've been serving the country for more than 20 years and the world for more than 30 years. And I come back home.
Maliban kay Senator Loren Legarda, ay nakatanggap rin ng pagkilala ang iba pang Antiqueño na nanguna sa aspeto ng community service, entrepreneurship, youth leadership, education, social service at media.